Notice anything different? Let me introduce you to the brand new battery nailer from Hilti, the BX4. So what's new about the BX4 compared to BX3? Number one, it has 10% more power, which means it can do more applications with nails up to 45mm long. Number two, it has 10 decibel less noise, and by the way, is the best in the market. Number three, improved ergonomics. The tool has less recoil. Because of the angled magazine, it can do deeper tracks. And finally, the magazine is detachable, which means no nail jumps anymore. Now let's see it in action.